Select the desired tone using the tone button on the plug-in receiver. Hold down the volume button on the plug-in receiver for 5 seconds. Press the button on the transmitter to connect to the receiver. This receiver is now connected to this transmitter. To connect a second receiver, select the desired tone again. Hold down the volume button for 5 seconds. Press the transmitter. Both receivers are now connected to the same transmitter. To add a second transmitter, select the desired tone on the first receiver. Hold down the volume button for 5 seconds. Press the button on the second transmitter. Now the first receiver is connected to both transmitters. Repeat the process for the second receiver. Now, both receivers are connected to both transmitters with different tones. To connect to the motion sensor, select the desired tone. Hold down the volume button for 5 seconds. Activate the motion sensor. This receiver is now connected to the motion sensor. To connect the second receiver to the motion sensor, select the desired tone. Hold down the volume button for 5 seconds. Activate the motion sensor. Both of these receivers are now connected to the motion sensor. As well as the transmitters.